J'ai fait. Ouais, le fait s'est passé bien, bon. À la prochaine, je vais t'inviter. Now, salama, salama, uh, banabeto, luvuvamu. Yeah, this means, yeah, peace should be upon you. Luvuvamu. Now, I want to talk about my elders today to give some honor and thanks to that what they are doing for the community. Yeah, because the next steps will be for me. Yeah, some news that I'm going to some Rumble battles against some camps uh, because of some things like the UFO debates. I go into UFO debates, the UFO doctrines. I'm completely against it. You should know that I was doing some movies here in Germany because, especially Germany, you have to know everything starts in Germany. Germany, the most of the professors, the most of the doctors, scientists, it comes from German. You have to know German. They are the wickeds from the wicked. Now, I was doing a 5G movie. In this 5G movie, I have explained very well why we should not, why we should be careful of the 5G, why we should be careful of the vaccines, and we should also be careful of the UFO because all these things going it is the same. It is the same doctrine. It's the same things that they are planning for years, yeah, to come up. You see, that's why you see also this coronavirus, etc. It means they are pushing all these things so that you can have the vaccines and you will run there like a zombie and will be controlled and everything. And now the Tatanzambi has also awakened some avatars, and we will talk about Johnathan Tshilombo soon. But these are the debates that I will go into very very soon, fighting some people that are pushing this kind of doctrines that Yesaya will come from the UFO with his angels and shooting people, etc. This is not the truth because UFO will be made it, yeah, to taking people captive, okay. And if they're pushing those things that we should take vaccines and that we should have the mark on the beast is okay and all these things, they have so many followers and pushing these kinds of doctrines, and we have to be very very careful with that. Now, let's talk about our yaya, yeah, and our salam. Let's talk about our yaya and our brother, yeah, and our tata also, yeah, in spirit, that he's doing a great work, and I want to talk a little bit about him. Johnathan Tshilombo is someone that must be honored because the work that he's doing, this is not a physical work, you know. I have met Johnathan like today. We know social media makes families. We have talked before he have even started to making movies. We uh, we have talked about many things. I think my internet is crashing. Let's go inside here. Yes, we have talked about many things like about the Congo truth, yeah, and about our other leaders. Look at how the people are always looking here. That's my work. Here in front of this door is a big eye, yeah. Here is salvation. Here is salvation. All of them standing sometimes here and looking in front of the door because here, look at, I'm showing you what they are looking for and why they are standing like this. First of all, they are looking because of that. This sign, and I will break this down soon so that you can see what it is. So nowhere you will find something like that someone says he can bring salvation to people, yeah, and they can see what's going on here. You know, nice. Only to tell you that I'm a warrior. Now, I know the secrets about the white people, and I know some of them will be saved, but I am not their friend. Maybe the one that will be saved, they can become my friends, but not this one that we are fighting here, because everything what happens here is because of them. Now, let's go back to our brother. Our brother Johnathan Tshilombo has contacted me and say, hey, yo, Mikhael, I watching your movies. Very. I grew up. I grew up with all these white pastors. Yeah, I grew up with all these scientific books. I've written so many things. Yeah, and I know I have a big messages to share, and we know that we are following the same truth, and we both know Chiba Malonga, that was even before me there, and it was not only Chiba Malonga that was. Chiba Malonga had a team. He had a team like Thomas. What was his name? Thomas. There's another brother Thomas and some others. Yeah, some other prophets that was around Chiba. I don't know if they are separated today. I think they are. I do not want to go too deep to that. Yeah, but I was like, okay, if you want to enter this kind of truth, you should be prepared. You should be open. You have to open a YouTube page, etc., and then you have to directly, yeah, talking to the people. And I will try to help you the best as I can. Yeah, I will start to push your name a little bit, and also, you see, not even, it was not even months, not 3 or 4 months later, then Massa has started his videos, very powerful videos. Then Johnathan has started his videos, then have started to push them both. And hey, the videos of them goes viral. It was like the Maleki, yeah, was pushing their videos with power. Okay, I had some, I have, and I had, yeah, I have even now 3 strikes. If I do say something wrong, and my YouTube page will be crushed. Yeah, because of the most of the things that I was saying. I don't know what I do wrong, but if I say some things, the YouTube is already shutting down my messages. So taking out videos, etc. And but Jonathan was doing it very well. He have started with big love. Yeah, that's why he always say we are different, because not everyone is the same. Because there you see that he is older, then there you see that he is sent. Yeah, he have first he has yeah, to teaching him with patience, yeah, the truth that he needs, so that he can go forward and attacking with love and bringing a lot of people to the truth. uh, by the way, all this is going with prayers. Jonathan is someone who prays, because before that, before in the days that we have met, he have started to say, Mikhael, I know you in spirit. He did not say I know you in flesh. I know you in spirit. He started like this, and I was like, oh, if someone knows me in spirit, then he knows me for real. Because if you know me like that, what you want, he is not really, yeah, honest. But if you know someone in spirit, this is another case, because Tatanzambi talks in spirit and he shows in spirit. So you are a better seer if you see things in spirit. Okay? Then this Jonathan was like, oh man, you have the gift of healing, right? I was like, oh, come on. Why do he know that I have the gift of healing? Casting out demons. Yeah? Casting out wrong angels. Because I'm judging them. Yeah? I'm casting them out where they come from. This is the job that I do. And he was like, yes, you are doing that. And I was seeing you and me working together. I was like, whoa. That guy is, he's amazing. And I was like, okay, let's push him. And it's he because of he also have his revelations. He has started to tell me about many other strong preachers, yeah, like Ronald, or yeah, Dalton Jr., or Sister Carrie Ann, and many others. He had them all there, the list. And I was like, okay, um, do your job, go ahead, working, yeah. And he was doing very nice, very good. He knows what he's doing, and all these people, even today the Isaka couple, all these people, he convented them. He showed them with love. With love, he showed them, yeah, that Tatanzambi is the way, and that was amazing. Because I am a soldier, you know, my 2 swords are hot, you know, but I I don't think I had that. I would did that what he have done for the community, that I could do that. No. And it was amazing because it comes like he has passed like this because me, I have my English channel is very young. Yeah, my English Bantu channel is very young. It is only 1.5 years old now, and his is also it passed now more than half year. Yeah, half year and a little. Yeah. So he's we are very young. The Bantu truth is very young. The Bantu truth that was always taught was the Bantu truth about the West African, and this truth did now. But they wasn't pushing us. They wasn't even talking about us. But this kind of truth that Tshilombo has brought, yeah, with this love and etc., by also pushing the people that he honored the good and he left the bad. And I hope this man really, I hope this man will do a lot of more than that, and I know he will. The next step will be the Kintwadi, yeah, the united people of the Banabeto, yeah, and there are some prophecies that he even have told about me, and I knew it before also because I am a seer as well. But if someone says to you that these things will happen, this is like, yeah, it must be like that because you need it in your ways. So the work of the Kintwadi, of the United Bundus that are separated. This was the first step what the white people have done in Africa to separating our Bundus. Yeah, this means to separating our villages. The pact of the three Congos separated, and today we know if we bring those things, if we bring these particular places together, yeah, these villages and these cities, yeah, so we know that we will have peace. It's not the UFO that will bring us peace, okay, but it is the united, yeah, nation of Israel, Yisrael, that will bring us peace, okay. And this is that what we are preparing for. And I saw with how the Ruach works. The Ruach has like said to this Johnathan, yeah, to this man, yeah, really, yeah, to my older brother, do. And it comes with so much power, yeah, you cannot imagine. The Ruach jumped over all of these camps, and all of them was, who is that? Amazing, amazing. And now, even now, many more people go, going now to awake. Even they understand the spirituality of us, and this is amazing. The spirituality, these people were staying in front of streets, attacking people. You are Hamite, you are whore, you are a slave, etc. But never they have talked about spirituality. Did you remember that? Did you remember that these people never talked about spirituality? Did you remember that these people was say against Africa, and it was like, no, we did not come from Africa. We come straight away from the heaven and fall to our slave ship and up to America. This was their preach. This was their preach, and I was like, okay, this is amazing. How can these people that share this man is really sended. You can go to Johnathan Tshilombo in Google. You will also see that he's a high class. He have studied, huh? He have studied. He have learned many things. He's smart. But if you see his testimonies, yeah, I have his testimonies original, yeah. So because he talked to me in private. But if you see what he's saying there, then you will see his struggle, how he was fighting against how can I explain, against people, yeah, that was sharing a total another truth, church members and all them. And also you will see that his own family members are church members, so Christians, okay, and he was also against them. You will find some testimonies that he maybe did not share with you, that you will see that this man was always isolated. He was yeah, they did not wanted him. He fought many years, and he started this work on Facebook. He started, if you see now on Facebook, if he posts something, he have even more followers than on YouTube. Okay, so he have done a big work. I think that I wish for him is big support, not warum denn? Warum sollte ich das denn tun? Nein, ich habe keine Zeit. Ich bin im Predigen. Warum fragst du mich denn nach sowas? Wie kannst du denn sowas... Nein, ich habe keine Zeit. This is the devil's spirit, yeah? The devil's spirit is like this. I'm preaching here, and no. I'm preaching here. I'm saying a good thing. Yeah, they think I am a young man. They should send me to somewhere. You know, this is not the respect. So now, come on, this is not good. Yes, on Facebook, he have started also to talk, like me too. Yeah, we have talked to the camps, etc. Yeah, we have, yeah, we have told them about us, about the Congo, etc. But there was like, no, we do not care. The things what you're saying is not the truth. But because the ruach, because all these things that's happening now, it's going so fast, and the truth, the most of the truth that was not revealed was the truth of the Congo. Was behind that truth. There is a bigger thing even, because we have to rebuild. Read Isaiah 60. We have to rebuild Congo. We have to possess Congo. We have to inhabit it. This means we have to go out of these places where we are and go back. So there's many other things that is coming. And this kind of truth is, you must be spiritual to understand this. You must be. And this is the place where the most of our people will be stuck. They will stuck and they will not go forward, because this is bigger. This is bigger than running over streets and saying, yes, I believe in Jesus, I believe in Yesaya. No, this is bigger. This is so big that they do not understand. Why can these people prophesy? Why can these people see and heal? Why can Mikhael and Massa heal from far? Why do we see angels if we believe in them? This is different here. This is different. This is not that what the people has expected. Even not YouTube, because they wasn't prepared. But all these things is happening because Satan also is now doing a lot of things. Satan also is now awoke. He understood everything is happening because of Congo. It was always like this. You people did not come from the Middle East. This was long time ago. You came from the Middle East. Then you lived in Zimbabwe. You lived in Southern Africa. You lived in the Mozambique. You lived in the Congo. You lived in Angola. There where you come from. If you want to find the Levites, let's go to the you call it so-called Middle East. Let's find them some Levites there. Let's find the tribe of Judah there. If you show me one guy there, they have the Judah blood, then I think a thunder will come upon me. It cannot be. It cannot be. There is no one of them that share our heritage. All of us lives today in Africa, and all of them went out from Africa to slavery. It did not happen from the Middle East. Okay, this is so easy to understand. And no UFO will save us. This is, if this they call spirituality, if they say, yeah, UFO will save us, brothers and sisters, please. This is totally crazy. It is said, you will judge angel. What means that? You are waiting for someone who comes from heaven? Brothers and sisters, you have to be very careful. Very careful. And there are many other people that are coming now out. And you see that this Congo truth has no end. Has no end. The next step will be the awakening of the that I have always to what bien? That I have only to preach. There are many thousands of gifted people outside. That's why I prop the Issachar couple. The Ruach is working. How can it be that people from America, yeah, salam, hello. How can it be that people from America today, you see everyone here, these are the people that you should save one day, brother. You should be over them. Yeah, that's why Isaiah was saying, Father, the people that you gave me in my hands, this was his prayer. The people that you gave me in my hands should be saved, not the whole world. The people that you gave me in my hand, because you have your people that the Most High will give in your hands. The other one will have the people that the Most High will give in his hand. And this is also the garden, what he's speaking about. If he talks and speaks about the garden, then he speaks about the houses that you will build, where you will have your animals, your people that will work for you. Go to Isaiah 14, 1 to 3. then you will understand that. This is there where he said, in my house that I will build, there are many houses, and many place, yeah, for y'all. This means it is not the Americas where you will not find peace. America will be under siege, people will stay there in America, but you will come with me, brothers and sisters. We will work together. Okay, back. Now, okay, this truth that we are sharing, yeah, have a bigger revelation later. And that's why it is very, very important for us.
Your name on your channel? Are you on Facebook Live?
Yes, I'm live here, brother. My name is Prophet Mikhael Massa, Bantu Israelites. Yeah.
Prophet.
Where you come from, brother?
I'm from Ghana.
From Ghana, okay. Prophet, not prophet. Prophet Mikhael Massa, Mikhael with KH.
Oh,
Yes. Okay. Then you can find me, yeah?
Mikhael.
Yes, Mikhael. HAEL. Okay, brothers and sisters, now,
3 minutes.
if yes, what? No, Mikhael Massa, Massa. Okay, if you see people like the Issachar couple today working hands in hands with Johnathan and saying really they understood some more brothers, if we have some more brothers understanding this truth, brothers, this will be a new awakening. This will be a new awakening. The things that is happening now with we have dreamed, we have seen this. Hey, the gifted is coming back. The gifts are coming back. The X-Men are coming back. Do you know what I'm saying? The X-Men are coming back. Okay? And this is what we are doing now, you see? This is what not we are doing, but this is what the Ruach are doing. Yeah, the Ruach is doing that. Because if we would do that, this would be good. But this is the Ruach. The Ruach is doing that because the devil is coming with power. Okay, jump. Yeah. The devil is coming with power, with a lot of power. Look what he have done with this coronavirus. The coronavirus epidemic is not the end. This has started yet. It will come again. It will go away. It will come again. It will go away. It will come again. It will come with 5G. It will come with vaccines. It will come with the mark of the beast. It will come with war. So this thing will never end. This is just a start. And if we are not prepared, brothers and sisters, if we do not share the same spirit, yeah, if we have some people wearing black clothes, the wrong false Star of David, etc., we have to be humble to convince them, but we will do it because it's not us doing that, but it's the Ruach. It is the Ruach, and yes, we are different. Yes, we are different, and it is good so. Because, like I have said, how can it be that people like the Issachar are doing this big work? 5 more of them. What will happen then? 5 more of these people. Brothers and sisters, this awakening is so great. Let them fight, and let the winner win this fight.
Ding, 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 ding.
Genau. Let the winner win this fight. Because it is already written who will win. We know who will win this fight. Let's go to the Royal Rumble. Brothers and sisters, you're welcome. I love it. Salama, if you have questions. The Most High reveal us who we are and what we should do in these end times. It is time to waking up. Greetings to Massa, greetings to Johnathan, greetings to all the people that are doing this amazing work, yeah, and to here people like Chiba Malonga. The work is hard that we are doing, but I know there will be some others that will do even more than that what we are doing now, because I have always heart, if you go to Psalms 110, for the younger generations, even younger than me, because I know these people will awakening. They will close it with Edom. They will close it with Edom. Edom's fall is in 2021. It was started in 2019. I have said it very clear. 2020, everything was really best documented. Yeah, what will happen. People know it, and we have to find our own pages. We have to we have to go to our own industries, brothers and sisters. If I show you where I do agriculture, where I'm building houses, we have. Ich lüge nicht, aber ich habe sie auf Kamera. You see, white people will go under you. We will be humble. We will be like snakes, but we will be like doves. Inside doves, snakes, but doves. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? Huh? Look at the sky, how it's blue, huh? Brothers and sisters, I cannot lie to you. Brothers, these people, they know me in spirit. They comes here and begging for help. And I want the same happens to you. Because these people will build up. Because they love working, huh? Do they love working? And they will work for y'all their whole life long. They will work for y'all, and I promise y'all, you will see that. This generation will see that. Okay? Salama. And thank you very much for listening.
YouTube man, like